So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be anticipating next on our GBP JPY. Guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, also click on the bell notification so that once I drop an update, instantly you would get the update so you would not miss out on any single update I'll be giving to you guys. This trade is a trade that you need to be in on time, else you might miss out on the move. So in order for you not to miss out on the move, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. Now let's what we'll be anticipating next on our GBPJPY. Now let's start with our trend on GBPJPY. We would need to go to the daily time frame and see what market is doing. So we can clearly see that our GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. So we are very much clearly a bullish move to the upside. So market is very much clearly an uptrend move. Now this is it here. We had this high, here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up, formed a new higher high, here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form a new higher high, here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up to form a new higher high. You can see that that new higher high took out this previous high, and now here is our higher low. So right now, this is our higher low right now. Our next movement on GBPJPY would be another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So we are anticipating for a new bullish move that will form a new higher high that will take out this previous high. So guys, whatever we will be expecting next on GBPJPY would be a bullish move that should push up to form a new. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So what is the forward time frame saying? So forward time frame has given us a multiple rejection around here. So it has pushed up, right? We can now expect for a pullback, right? So that is what we should be expecting for. We should be expecting a pullback before markets will push up again to form a new higher high. So a bullish move next is what we should be expecting. So if you're a conservative trader, you might want to wait for your pullback to play out before you go ahead to take your buy that will form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting next on our GBP JPY.